Hi there, here's the Dizo Watch D, and I'm quite sure D stands for Dependable because Dizo is just hitting it out of the park with all their smartwatches. Sorry for the bad throat, kindly bear with me. Now this one comes with a 1.8-inch display, 110 sports modes, 150 watch faces, 5 ATM water resistancy rating, all the regular health monitoring sensors you look for like SpO2, heart rate, and then there's 14 days of battery life, and still the Dizo Watch D is priced at just $1,999. Well, that almost seems unbelievable, but still we aren't sold yet. So let's quickly unbox it and see if the Dizo Watch D is worth your money or not. Let's begin. So here is the Dizo Watch D retail packaging. On the side are some of the key features and specifications that I just mentioned. Towards the back are some manufacturing details and the MRP $4,999. Alright, let's open it up. So inside we have the watch itself. We'll have a look at it in just a moment. Some paperwork that includes a quick start guide and the pogo pin USB charging cable. It attaches and aligns magnetically as you bring it closer to the terminals. So let's have a closer look at the watch. Now the first thing you can see, this comes with a square dial and the frame is made of metal, has this nice glossy black finish. Yes, it does attract some fingerprints and smudges, but still looks very premium. On the other side you can spot there's a single button with the Dizo branding in between. The straps are made of soft silicone and have this nice wave texture to it. The loop has the Dizo branding as well. The buckle is made of metal and is color coordinated with the frame. Very nice. The quality of the strap is truly commendable. Really nice. Moving towards the back is made of plastic and it houses the heart rate sensor, the SpO2 sensor in the center, and the charging terminals below. Now these are 22mm bands that can be replaced with third-party bands. Just pull the hook to release. Very convenient. Alright, let's quickly pair the watch. Download the Dizo app from the Play Store or App Store if you have an iPhone. The app is available on both platforms. Click open. Now you'll see some of the few options of the watches. Take the watch, press the power button on the side. You'll see the Dizo branding. Now take your phone and scan the QR code. Click confirm on your watch and you're done in a couple of seconds. So as mentioned earlier, it comes with 5 ATM water resistancy rating, so you can safely wear it for a swim or even while taking a shower. Just make sure you don't press this button on the side during that time. So let's have a closer look at the display. Now you press the button on the side to wake the display, you press that button again to put it back to sleep. Now you can see this is a 1.8-inch LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 286 pixels. Now even though this is not a very high resolution display, the color reproduction is pretty good, the blacks are pretty decent, and the text is really crisp. As you can see, everything is very much readable, even the smallest text. Very nice. The watch also supports up to 550 nits of peak brightness, which means you can easily use this watch outdoors. Now let's have a quick look at the interface. Swipe from up to access your notifications and missed calls. Swipe towards the left to access quick toggles. You have do not disturb. You can adjust the brightness from here. Power saving mode. Toggle raise the wrist to wake the display. You can also use the display as a torch at night. Then there's settings. In settings you have watch faces. Here are a couple that come pre-installed. Check this out. Dizo, be different. Let's change a couple of more. You can press and hold in the center to change. There you go. And this will give you a rough idea of the bezels on the watch as well. Very beautiful. Then moving further, you have screen on time that can be set from 5 seconds to 30 seconds. Then you have menu style. You can choose grid style or list style. Then there's vibration intensity, language, battery, QR code for the companion app. There's fit notifications, basically sedentary reminder notifications, goal achieved, and drink water reminders. Then there's power off, reset, reboot, and about. Going back to the home page, if you swipe from down, you can access your activity data, heart rate, SpO2, sleep tracking, workouts, workout records, alarm clock, and the best part is you can actually set the alarm from the watch itself. Now this is a huge plus. Then there's weather, stopwatch, timer, music, camera shutter button to control the camera on your phone, breathing training, find my phone, female health tracking, and settings. Now if you come back to the home page, swipe right to access your daily activity, sleep tracking, heart rate, weather, and music that's playing on your phone. Really nice. So overall, I say that the interface is really smooth and responsive, very easy to use as well. And there you go, finally wearing the watch, and you can see that wavery strap design looks really nice. Also, soft silicone straps feel really nice on your skin. The watch is also really comfortable. Let's check out the raise the wrist to wake the display. Wow, that was really fast and responsive. Let's check out again. 1, 2, 3. So I can comfortably say that the raise the wrist to wake the display is very responsive. Let's talk about health monitoring. So we get a heart rate sensor, which we tested by just placing the watch first on the table to see if it's dependable. And it said wear the watch properly and try again. So then we wore it and we got our readings, which seems quite accurate. Then we also tested the SpO2 sensor, make sure you stay still, and we got 98%. Now, I always say this, smartwatches are not medical equipment, so all these readings, even though accurate, are for reference and not for medical purposes. Then the watch also comes with a sleep tracker, which, as the name says, is to track your sleep. The good thing is that the watch is really light and very comfortable to wear overnight. So the Dizo Watch D comes with over 100 workout modes. Just access the menu, come into workouts, you'll find outdoor run, outdoor walking, indoor run, cycling, mountaineering, swimming. Yes, glad to see that swimming is included, cricket, basketball, yoga, elliptical training, free training, football, row machining, and keto. Now surely you can see these aren't 100, there may be around 15 here. So where are the rest? Well, all you need to do, go to the Dizo companion app, come here, come to more sports. Now these are the sports that you couldn't find on the watch. Now if you need something as street dancing or karate, click on karate and click on synchronize. And now that it's synchronized, we'll take the watch, workouts will go all the way down, and there you go, we've seen karate. So basically all workouts are not available on the watch, you can actually synchronize them using the app. Then you receive call alerts with vibration and it's almost instantaneous. You can see the caller's name with an option to silent the ringer or reject the call. It would be good if we had an option to reply with a preset SMS. Similarly, you receive app notifications where you can see the app icon and read only the part of the message on the display. Alright, talking about the battery. So it comes with a huge 350 mAh battery, which Dizo claims should last for about 14 days with typical use. But remember, battery life will vary depending on your use. There are notifications, brightness levels, health monitoring, and also since this watch comes with a huge 1.8-inch display, battery would usually drain a lot faster. But luckily the capacity of the battery is larger on this watch compared to other watches in this segment. So I can confidently say that you should get about 7 to 9 days easily. Also, it takes roughly 2 hours to fully charge. So in 2 hours, you technically have 1 week of battery life on your watch. I think that's terrific. Let's check out the Dizo Watch app. Now right here on the home page, you can see the weather, seen the steps you have taken, the calories you've burnt. If you click in here, you can see all the more details. You can see day-wise, week-wise, month-wise, and year-wise. Below here, you can see the step goals achieved today, and you can even set your goals accordingly. Then here you can see dial center, which is for watch faces, but we'll come to that in just a moment. Then further down is sleep duration, heart rate, SpO2. Then in the exercise tab, you can actually use your phone's GPS for your outdoor workouts, like outdoor run, walking, and outdoor cycling. Very handy. Then if you come into me, here you can see your Dizo Watch D is connected, the battery percentage. If you click here, you can see an upgrade option. You can change the units. Time format can be changed from 12 hours to 24 hours. Then there's user guide, factory reset, and more sports. Moving behind, you have switch center. This is where you can actually switch the watch faces. Now there's custom dial where you can use an image from your phone's gallery as a watch face. Then further, there are lots of other options available. There are simple watch faces, there are mechanical, there's digit simple, there's digital data, then there's pointer simple, there are pointers, they're classic, they're funny ones. Huge collection, over 150 watch faces available right here. You want to switch one, click on it and click sync dial. And there you go, the new watch face is set. Then in notifications, you can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Then further, there are reminder settings, sedentary reminders, drink water reminder. Then heart rate setting, you can set all day monitoring, turn it on and off, find device, background permissions, FAQs, feedback and suggestions, and in most settings, some more other basic details. Now overall, the app is really easy to use and complete. You can find everything you need, including built-in GPS. But the only thing this app lacks is probably that you cannot share data with Google Fit or Strava. Apart from that, I could literally find everything here. Alright, so the Dizo Watch D seems to stack everything we need and more, especially for the price. Yes, I would have loved to see Bluetooth calling, stress monitoring, and maybe a little higher resolution of the display. But for $19.99, we can't even debate. If you're looking for a smartwatch with a huge display, 150 free watch faces, tons of sports modes, all the basic health monitoring features, call alerts, notifications, and are still on a tight budget, this is the watch probably easiest to recommend. In fact, it also makes for a great gift. Go for it. The Dizo Watch D goes on sale tomorrow, 14th of June on Flipkart at 12 p.m. and it's available in 4 amazing colors. I'll leave the links for all in the description. You should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.